guys, one of the coolest things for me as someone who, really likes the outdoors is making new discoveries. So I went off the path, as I often do, and of a regular area that I hike, and discovered this amazing little spot that I've passed so many times and never saw it before. Now, we had rainfall last night in this area, so that might account for so much water rushing in this area, but still, it's pretty awesome. Thought I would share it with you. The outdoors, I love it.